ఇక్కడ జంపింగ్. నవ్వు ఓకే, నవ్వు ఓకే, జంపింగ్. అడ్వర్టైజ్మెంట్ కట. ఓకే, nothing forgotten. Yes, you can't remove that. Just a minute. Voice and also display, both are okay. Voice, display, both are okay. If both okay means I will start. Both okay. Okay, I will start now. See, same master question by Kani's method. In the title I put Kani's method, but actually remember, anybody knew, those who are regular they know it. Anybody knew Kani's method already started in the last class. Last class I solved by moment distribution method. Little time was there. So I started there only Kani's method. I told the question, I already found rotation factors last time, and I told calculation of FEMs exactly same as MD method. I told how much we have done for MD method, that FEM part, considering loading and settlement, support settlement, combining them, find FEMs. So those FEMs are here. See, these are the FEM which entered for MD method. So I have not removed the MD part because these are the MD method. I am not removing for some reason. Do one thing. This is not applicable for today. It's already over. Then I told when I start Kani's method, my first step will be calculation of rotation contribution. Those who want right, that is M dash. That is what you are doing. Correct? Remember from where we are starting. If anybody is new, they should go back to previous class, study and come back. Remember, not directly tell how you got this value, how this value came. No idea. I told, this is for newcomers or general public. My class is meant for only those who are serious and who want to learn. Whatever I tell, they should follow. Okay, start. Now, calculation of rotation contribution. See, A, absolutely fixed. So, tell me, M dash AB, how much? See, these all already told in classes 9 times. And even for those who are new, in YouTube, I uploaded a class, first question, a little earlier. Analysis by Kani's method, one for Kani's method for 3-span beam. There, everything is explained, including the calculation. So, you should refer and come back. Okay. Tell me, how much M dash AB? How much M dash AB? Fast. How much M dash AB? It is absolutely fixed end. M dash AB. Answer. No, answer M dash AB. Rotation contribution at A. No answer. Those who are coming to the class also. A is absolutely fixed. How much? Contribution. See? No answer. If you don't give this answer, then that means Kani's method is wasted. It is absolutely zero. See, to understand, I always tell real zero. See, real zero. Then, this is intermediate support. This is again intermediate. This is D is actually what? That is actually simple support. This is actually crude method. It is simple support with overhang. Therefore, but whatever is there, the moment simple support comes, this is called imaginary fixed support. So, this is the point D. This is your M dash DC. M dash DC. That is actually it is not zero. It depends upon theta. But since you are going to modify the FPM, you have to take it as zero. Remember, I used to tell small zero. See, for calculation, there is no big zero, small zero. This will tell you real zero. This will tell imaginary fixed and zero. And overhang side, we never bother. We never bother overhang side for contribution. But FPM required. Okay, start. Enter all the FPMs. Whatever you got yesterday, see. Whatever FPM you got, entered. Okay. Next, see, you require what now? M dash BA, you have to calculate. M dash BC, you have to calculate. Little space required here. Because of lack of space, I am writing closer. M dash CB you require. Then M dash CD you require. Okay, now enter the rotation factor, whatever you got here. See, enter rotation factors there. Then, before you start calculation, I told Tani's method, when simple support is replaced by imaginary fixed support with zero contribution, the FPM there, what you have to do is, the moment there should be released. If it is simple, this also yesterday I told you, if there is no overhang, minus 84, put plus 84. Why? Total is minus 84. Change the sign. Plus 84 right here. Write plus 84 here and carry over half here plus 42. That is, if the overhang is not there. But because overhang is there, you have to release unbalanced moment there. Add the values. You add these two values. Minus 84 and minus 54.72. Add the two values. Answer. Actually, you can see minus 84 minus how much? 57.2. Add the values. Fast. Add the values. Minus 138.72. Its opposite value. Enter on the inner side. Do not disturb the overhang. So plus 138.72 here. Then immediately space is not there. Plus I won't write. See, okay, plus. Half carry over here. Half is plus 69.36. Okay. Okay. Now, once you modify, okay, I will do one thing. D I will push upper side. Hey, D, melko hoppa. Ili barbada. See, D I will put it here. D, this is special, simple support with overhang, go upper side. Now, you add, see, here also you add. Here, what is there to add? That only will remain. This is called modified FPM. This all told 9 times earlier. This will come plus 54.72. This will come, illa the answer, minus 38.64. Okay, now, over. Now remember, see, and 54.72, if you have that much, 54.72 here, and that side is what? Okay, everybody. Modified FPM. Okay, so that side is minus 54.72. Now remember, these original values where modified is done, they are cancelled. Don't cancel it. They are cancelled. These are the initial FPMs. This has been told in the class 9 times, yes or no? Those who are regular to my class in the group, this is told 9 times. 85.47. How? Huh? How it is possible? 138.72 by 2 is? Huh? What? 138.72. Yes, it is plus actually. Minus 84 minus 54.72 is what? Is minus 138.72. You have to put plus 138.72 here. It's half year carry over here. When you add these two, you get this value. Otherwise, yesterday class is wrong. Otherwise, yesterday is wrong. Otherwise, yesterday what you have done is wrong. See, correct it is. Half carryover. When you add, it becomes minus 38.64. I don't know how you got those values. Okay, now these are cancelled. Now, enjoy the table. Remember, enjoy. Enjoy in the sense what? How I told, see, operate. Now, before that one, add the two FPM here. Tell me how much? Minus 15.6 plus 4.8. Tell the answer here. Minus 15.6 plus 4.8. Answer here. Fast. Oh, gone. Something happened there. Luckily, mobile did not fall down. I should have been careful nowadays. How much? Minus 10.8. Okay. It is minus 10.8 here. And here, 124.8 minus 38.64. Add that values. 124.8 minus 38.64. Don't give wrong value. At any cost, do not give wrong value. Plus 124.8 minus 38.64 plus 86 point, plus there is no place to write. Okay, plus 86.16. Okay, over. Correct? Answer correct? 86.16. Correct idea? 6 4 1 1 6 1 7 8 6 8 10 correct bidi. Right, over. Now I should not talk anything. Now you have to operate only at B and C. If you remember, all the 9 questions same, yes or no? All 9 questions same. See, now all the 9 basic questions. This is a 10th extra question. Same procedure. See, this value, far end value, enter here. Then this value, 0, enter here. Now again come back here. This value, this far end value, revised value, cut the previous value, enter a new value here. Then this value, far end value, cut and enter a new value there. That way, continue till terms are repeated. This I will not explain because in the YouTube, even those who are newcomers, I uploaded a class how to perform this one. I told any end conditions in future, this will remain same. So those who are newcomers, they came to learn these corrections all. This is mechanical. Yes or no? Yes, okay. I will tell you now, finally a stage will come when this value will reach 9.33, this will reach plus 12.70. Some are asking, where he is looking? Because as soon as I solved by SD method, then I know at that time what repeating value will come in Kani's method. My personal confidence, I noted down there. Because why should I calculate? So anyway, you calculate. This will, a stage will come. This is minus 33.69. See, you can see how weak I am in copying. Some students will tell, sir, you are struggling to copy, sir. We are expert. If this much time given, we will copy one full question only. They will tell, sir, by this time, we will copy one full page from neighbor. You are struggling for copying. Yes, I am not good for copying. 13.70. Imagine. Okay, now I will do one thing. I will do one more cycle. Because I don't know. Don't tell repeating. See now, next cycle. Minus 10.8 minus 33.69 plus 0 equal to divided by 14 into 3 is 9.53. Oh, it is 53. Oh, I think it is 53. 1 minute. Where is theta b? I think It is not 3, 3. Just tell me, Nisha, slope deflection method, what is EI theta B you got? Fast. Fast, tell me. Slope deflection method, you had seen earlier class. Tell me what EI theta B you got. Fast. I think there's a small, while copying I made, because in the calculator light, maybe 5, 3 became 3, 3 there. Tell me what EI theta B you got. Tell me. No, full number. Slope deflection method, what EI theta B you got? Fast. See there. This is solved in SD method. Fast you tell. You got the record with you. This is correct, Nisha. Some slight changes are there. You are not telling the answer. If you don't cooperate this way, how to take the class? I told note down the answer. See now. I think while copying, I made a mistake, I think. You are not telling the answer. See. Again time waste. What EI theta B you got for this method, for this question, by slope deflection method? No answer. If no answer, you are not noting down, not solving anything means, now then I don't know why I made, what is that 9.33? 1 minute. Minus 10.8 minus 33.69 divided by 14 into 3. It is coming 9.53 divided by 3 into 4 comes 12.71. It comes to 12.71. I'll try it here. 9.53. 1 ನಿಮಿಷ. Okay, then I'll try here once again. 86.16 plus 12.71 divided by 94 into 32 is 33.66. It is 66. Okay, 666 coming. Divided by 32 into 15 is 15. I think it is some other answer. Maybe it is wrong. It is 15.78 is coming. Okay, minus. I'll try once again. Minus 10.8 minus 33.66 divided by 14 into 3. 9.53, correct. Divided by 3 into 4 is 12.70. See, it is coming 70. Okay. It is 70 only is there. Okay, then 86.16 plus 12.70 divided by 94 into 32 is 33.65. 65. I don't know why it is playing there. Divided by 32 into 15 is 15.78. Okay, next round if I do, minus 10.8 minus 33.65 divided by 14 into 3 is 9.53 plus divided by 3 into 4 is 12.70 plus. Then 86.16 plus 12.70 over divided by 94 into 32 is 33.65 divided by 32 into 15 is 15.78. Okay, done. Now I'll do one more cycle for you. I got confidence. Next cycle here. Why look at the calculator? Calculator, nothing is there. Over. Now, everywhere, now too late. No, see, you gave the answer too late. By that time, I solved it. You gave the answer too late. You gave the answer too late. By that time, I solved by SD method. Nodi. By that time, some will ask, sir, how you solved so fast? That you don't bother. By that time, I solved by SD method. Okay, leave it. Okay, leave it. What to do? Such things you cannot do anything. Minus 108 plus twice of is. The answer is minus 38.64 minus 2 into 15.78. 70.2. 70. It's okay. Okay, done. Okay, now all terms repeated. 2 cycles of the calculation. Now the last step. Last step. I will write here. Last step I will write here now. Calculation of final moment. Okay. Here I will write. So that then I can go to SFD BMD. Okay. See, I will write here. Calculation of final moment by Kani's method. Final moments. Right here. We know that I should not write for a member xy, mxy equal to m bar xy plus 2 times of m dash xy plus m dash yx. M dash yx. This is called fixed end moment. This is rotation contribution at near end. And this is rotation contribution at far end. With the warning. What is the warning? Do not warning. What warning? Do not use this. At what support? Tell me. I told the reason for you. This class all, any newcomers, reason I need not explain. For the regular batch I explained the technique. I told the proof also. Do not apply this equation where? At which support? I told thousands of times. Do not apply this equation where? At which point? For moment at which point, do not apply this equation. This expression you should not use for moment at which support. Fast. Why no answer? You are not responding. 9 basic questions over. Everything covered. Now you are struggling. Do not use this equation of FPM plus 2 times rotation contribution at near end plus far end. You should never apply at which support. If you don't answer, I will close the class. You should not apply at which support. I am helpless. I have to close the class then. If the answer is not coming for this one, then those 9 questions are wasted. 9 basic questions in the class you have done. It is wasted. Do not apply. I have to ask how many times I have to ask. This is the 4th time I am asking. Not SSO. You tell not SSO at simple support. Means either ordinary simple support or simple support with overhang. Yes or no? Simple support. Overhang later. Either ordinary simple support or simple support with overhang. Yes. Therefore, for this question, this is a D. You should not apply at D. Here. You should not apply here. Correct? So that means there is one moment here which is MDC and one moment here which is MDE. For these 2 moments, you should not apply that formula. Tell yes or no. If a overhang is not there, for MDC, should not apply that formula. Yes. And then how to get the moment there? The final moment at the simple support, either simple support or simple support with overhang is whatever is modified FPM. Directly what? Final moment is equal to modified FPM. Now tell me answer. Suppose overhang is not there. Then tell me what modified FPM will be here. If the overhang is not there, what modified FPM is there? Tell me. If the overhang is not there, what modified FPM will be there? What if the overhang is not there? See, minus 84, you will put plus 84. What modified FPM will be there? If the overhang is not there, then what you will do? Minus 84, put plus 84 here. So again you are not answering. If that overhang is not there, what modified FPM will be there? 0. Then your MDC will become 0. But here there are modified FPM. Therefore, the final moment for MDC and MDE are directly these two values. Clear? Directly those two values. No contribution, nothing. Clear or not? Because of overhang, moments are there. So the final moment, your MDC equal to 54.72, MDE equal to minus 54.72. Never calculate 54.72, 2 times 0 plus this value. No. Only FPM. Okay, clear. Therefore, start. See, first here order. MAB, MBA, MBC, MCB, MCD, MDC and MDE. These are the moments you require. Now remember, you should be careful here because this is at D simple support with overhang. Therefore, without seeing here and there, MDC equal to plus 54.72, MDE equal to minus 54.72. Remaining values you calculate by Carney's method. Clear? Remaining values you calculate by Carney's method. Clear? Okay. Now I will calculate now. See, MAB you should calculate. In that YouTube class earlier, systematically shown and 9 times over. But still I will explain. MAB, see, this moment, minus 195.6 plus 2 times of 0 plus 9.53 minus 186.07. MBA, minus 15.6 plus 2 times of this value plus this value plus 3.45. Actually, 3.45 will not come. Minus 15.6 plus 2 times of 9.53 will come. 3.46 will come. Okay, no problem. MBC. Then MBC 44.8 plus 2 times of 12.7 minus 33.65 minus 3.45. So I will do one thing, because for equilibrium you need same answer. 1 paisa I will give you after the class. Children is not there. 1 paisa is not there. When 100 times you round off, I will give 1 rupee to you. Okay, 3.45. Same way, now I will not calculate. MCB 124.8, 2 times of this value plus this value. Anybody newcomer, refer to my earlier class of Carney's method written there. One master question I solved. Okay, now I will calculate by hitting the calculator. Why? Because I know the answer. Plus 70.19. Answer is there. Other one, MCD minus 38.64, 2 times of this value plus 0 minus 70.19. All are kilonewton meter clockwise positive. These are the final moment we got by Carney's method. Check the answer. Final moment we got by MD method yesterday. Check the answer. Final moment we got by SD method earlier. I will tell from there. I noted down. Minus 186.07 plus 3.45 minus 3.45 plus 70.19. I am seeing the answer there. Minus 70.19 plus 54.72 minus 54.72. Therefore, all 3 methods 100% answer tallying. So perfectly, I told you, it has to tally. There is no escape for any problem not to tally. Okay, over. Now go to last step. I will do one thing. That is to draw bending moment diagram. Okay, 1 minute. I will first remove all this now. See now what happens is to draw bending moment diagram we need final moments. Okay, I will maintain this one. You can see now go to star. Go to star. Star means SFD BMD, which is common for all three methods. Common for all three methods. Okay, start. I will start and leave. Then you should find the reaction. Okay, start now. Calculate star portion. Calculation of vertical reactions. Vertical reactions at all supports. You require for purpose is what? For SFD and BMD. Purpose. Okay, start. Consider AB. AB. AB span is like this. UDL of how much? 30 kilonewton per meter. Span is 6 meter. This is A, this is B. There is a vertical reaction here VB, vertical reaction here VA. Now VB will once again come, so I will call VB1. There is an anti-clockwise moment of, see any method. See, moment is clockwise positive minus 186.07 means anti-clockwise of no sign now. Some people write blindly mistake. They put minus here. Utter nonsense. Here there is a clockwise moment of 3.45 kilonewton meter. Enjoy, take moment about the point, get the two reactions. Get VA, get VB1. Okay, then consider BC. Consider BC. When you consider BC, BC span is this way. BC. Length of BC is 5 meter. There is a point load. Don't ask me how to find sir VA, VB1. You are studying indeterminate structure. If you cannot find support reactions for determinate part, sigma M0 and sigma V0, then you are wasting your time attending this class. BC, 100 kilonewton. This is 3 meter. Then this reaction is VB, this reaction is VC. VB comes second time, put VB2, VC comes first time. Once again VC will come, put VC1. There is an anti-clockwise moment of 3.45 kilonewton meter at the left end and a clockwise moment of 70.19 kilonewton meter at the right end. Enjoy the calculation and get me VB2 and VC1. Okay. Then consider DE. Consider DE, CD. CD. CD beam, its length is 4 meter. This is C, this is D. There is a UDL of 9 kilonewton per meter. 9 kilonewton per meter. This reaction is VC, this reaction is VD. Second time VC, VC2, first time VD, VD1, because when you go to overhang, once again VD will come. Okay, then there is red color bantu. There is an anti-clockwise moment of 70.19 kN meter here, and that side clockwise moment of 54.72 kN meter. Okay, meter. Enjoy and get the reaction. And lastly, consider DE. Remember, when you consider DE, it's a overhanging part. This is D. VD, second time VD2. Length is 2.4 meter. There is a UDL here and point load. Point load of 12 kilonewton, UDL of same 9 kN per meter. There is a moment anti-clockwise here of 54.72 kilonewton meter. Remember, here two unknowns are there, two unknown. For all these three, you have to make sigma M0 and sigma V0. But here, only what? Only sigma V0, or directly only one support is there, plus VD2, if you take upward positive, minus 9 into 2.4 minus 12 equal to 0, get the value of VD2. Okay, then we will go for SFD and BMD. Shall I take 5 minutes break? By that time, can you tell me all the reactions? Tell me. I'll take 5 minutes break. By that time, can you give me all the reactions fast? Can you use clockwise positive here? Where clockwise? Here. If you take moment about this point clockwise positive, you will get 0 equal to 0. Why? Plus 12 into 2.4 plus 9 into 2.4 into 2.4 by 2 minus 54.72 equal to 0. You get 0 equal to 0. Or if you take moment about this point, you will get the VD2. You can use, but sigma only one unknown. Only sigma V. Okay, now start. I will do one thing. I already calculated the reaction before the class. Before going there, I will enter the value and go. So you just tell me correct or wrong. You check all the values and tell me correct or wrong. I already note it down. See, the answer plus 120.44 plus 59.56 plus 46 point plus 46.65 53.35 plus 53.35 plus 21.87, another one is plus 14.13. This I not calculated because you can tell this answer. Okay, you don't have typed the answer. You have, and this answer will be why that you can calculate because it is 9 into 2.4 plus 12. It is 33.6. It is plus 33.6. I will take 5 minutes break. Then you tell me whether the value entered by me, because I calculated before the class to save the time. So you just type and tell me, yes, all are correct. I will draw SFD BMD. Agreed? I will take 5 minutes break. By that time, you confirm that my calculation is correct, because if wrong, SFD BMD will be wrong. I do not want wrong SFD BMD. Okay. If you give the answer within 5 minutes, wait for 5 minutes. Exact 5 minutes, I will come and continue and draw SFD BMD. I'll continue. No time waste because problem. All values are tallying. What I wrote, everything is correct. Tell me. What values I written there? Everything tallying correctly. Because what happens is, when I calculate, sometimes what will happen is, nothing. I will not do mistake. See, I'll tell you why I want to check. See, when you make sigma, I don't write and do it, reactions. I just see the number and get the reactions. But what happens, I will tell you. Light problem. When I see from here answer, sometimes 3 looks like 5, 2 looks like 8, sometimes 7 looks like 1 in an angle light, when light is not proper here. So, because of that one, wrong value may be written. Calculator correct value will come. But while entering, it is possible that some number, see, if I write 59.5, see, for example, okay, 53.65. By chance, if the 5 looks like 8 to me, I write 8. But 46.6 will tell you answer is correct. So I will not, there is no confusion. I never do this way. Minus VB into 6 plus this one minus this one will do. Do you want to know what I do? Do you want to know how I directly find reactions without writing etc.? Do you want to know how I find reactions? It is an easy method. But danger for those who are immature. Those who cannot understand properly, danger. Those who have difficulty, they better write and do it. Do you want to know what I do reactions? I will tell you what I do reactions. Directly. Do you want to know? Yes. Okay. See, if I want reaction here, anti-clockwise 186.07, clockwise 3.45, different moment. I find the difference. Difference is anti-clockwise. I divide by 6. That will lift one side and push one side. If it is anti-clockwise, that side is lifted, this is pushed down. I will get that answer. Then, due to loading, 30 into 6 divided by 2, I enter the answer. Here, because of these two moment, I will find the reaction at both ends. Moment by span. Then, due to 100, here reaction is 100 into 3 by 5, 100 into 2 by 5. That way trick I apply. And I have no confusion whether it is lifting or pushing down. By looking only I can make out. So if that much confusion is there for me, how I can take class so fluently? So that you can do. But danger. That is advisable only for those who got that much control. Okay, now I will lastly go for SFD BMD. Okay. I will clean everything because neatly I want. I want neatly SFD BMD. Okay. Start. Actually, first of all, not required, but still little time is there. Then there is a small announcement today regarding tomorrow's class. Tomorrow's class will be there, but I will tell you something. Before I close the class, one small announcement. See, nowadays, daily I have to go home because due to some reason I have to go. I have to travel long distance. So I have to leave here at least by 9 o'clock. If I want to leave by 9 o'clock, I should finish the class at least 15 minutes earlier. Okay, now. Okay, start. Correctly, SFD BMD for this question. See, what to do. For those who are in the group, you know it. But still, I will explain once again. First, what you do? You write the beam here. Leave some space here. Leave some space there. Maintain scale. 6 meter. That's all. 5 meter. 4 meter. 2.4 meter. Okay. UDL here of 30 kN per meter. UDL, point load of 100 kilonewton at 3 meter from here. Here UDL of 9 kN per meter. 9 kN per meter and a point load of 12 kilonewton. Okay. Then below enter the span. Do not write reaction now. Okay. 2.4 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 6 meter. Upper side, see actually now moments are there. But remember, if you enter moment here, figure gets distorted. So upper side enter the moments. This way. See. Do not write plus minus. Anti-clockwise of 195 here 186.07. Anti-clockwise of 186.07 kilonewton meter. Then clockwise of 3.45. Anti-clockwise answer is 3.45 kilonewton meter. Clockwise of 70.19. Anti-clockwise 70.19 kilonewton meter. Here clockwise, here anti-clockwise, here no plus minus 54.72. Result same by all three methods. Then A, B, C, D and E. Okay. Board fully visible? Is board fully visible? Tell me. Board fully visible? No. Is the board fully visible? Shall I move the camera, or whatever I wrote fully visible? Fast. What I wrote all fully visible, or shall I move the camera? I'm getting doubt now. Shall I move the camera or all visible? I think partially I have to move the camera, I think. Okay. I'll move the camera partially so that you can move. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, now fully visible, correct? Nodi. Now fully visible. Yes or no? Now everything fully visible. Visible? Now everything fully visible now? Okay. Now, most important, actually, those who are regular, I don't have to tell this one. This is for newcomers' purpose. At least let them get some information. Okay, now, enter the reactions. How? Cut reaction. Whatever reactions you got, I use blue color. Sorry. This reaction is VA. Oh, this color is not writing. Okay, throw it out. Black, red color. When I want red, I won't get it. I do not want red. Red is coming. Nodi. This reaction is VA. Final VA equal to, anyway, I know the answer there, 120.44 kilonewton. Just now we got. And here, one reaction this side, one reaction this side. Here, one reaction, this is the reaction for this member, this is the reaction for that member. Separately right here, cut reactions. Now, I will enter the values, whatever I got just now. 59.56. 56 kilonewton. Other one is 46.65 kilonewton. This side is, left side is 53.35 kilonewton. This is 0.35 kilonewton. That side is 21.87 kilonewton. Here, this side is 14.13 kilonewton. And that side is, I forgot now, the answer is still there in the calculator. Answer equal to 33.6 kilonewton. 33. I'll enter here. 33.6 kilonewton. Okay, now, because of these two, if you add, you get the final VB here. You can add and write final VB here, but we don't require it. Add these two, get the final VC. I told you, when you want SFD BMD for this beam, see this reaction. When you want SFD BMD for this beam, see this reaction. Tell me, why this reaction is required? Anybody can tell? The final reaction will tell you what? It is not required for SFD BMD. It will tell you from the beam how much load is transferred to column. Clear or not? The final reaction will give you load transferred from beam to the column. Okay, that you don't require here. Okay, start. Now, draw SFD. Draw baseline for SFD. I use red color for baseline. See, now I want red, not getting it. Yes, because I want red now, not getting it. I got it. Some red color. Okay. This is the baseline for SFD up to here. Projection SFD, all values are in kilonewton, left up, right down, positive. People telling, coming from left to right, coming from right to left. Don't talk those things. Shearing force is our sign, left up, right down, positive. That's all. Coming from left, coming from right. What coming from? Who is coming from left? Nothing. Okay, start. This is the point A, this is the point B, this is the point C, this is the point D, this is that point where point load is there. Okay, start. Take your calculator. Take your calculator. First of all, I should not tell. Go with the load. Go up by 120.64, 120.44. From here to here, gradually come down by 30 into 6. When you reach here, it will be 59.56. Okay, join this way. Okay, SFD over. Now, again go up by 59.56. Okay, SFD is over here. Plus and minus. Locate this point. A, B, C, E. I will call this point as D. This point as E. Okay, now, from here to here, what distance you take X and get the value. How to get the value? You should know it. It will come, I noted down, 4.015 meter. This if you are not knowing, not fit for indeterminate structure. Okay, now, again here, go up by 46.65. No load up to here. Then, come down by 100. When you reach here, it will be 53.35, no load, back, over, plus, minus, over. Now, here, go up by 21.87, very small. From here to here, come down by 9 into 4, it will be 14.13. 14.13, go back, and one new point will come. I will call the point as F. New point F. Locate the distance, take X and get it. It will come, I noted down there, 2.43 meter. This already I calculated because to save the time, because I know time trouble will come today, plus minus. Lastly, go up by 33 point, how much? 33.6, little less than 46 actually. Okay, 33.6. Here to here, come down by 9 into 2.4, 100%, 12 will come there, come back by 12, over. This is the shearing force diagram. Fully clear? Those who are regular, fully clear. Others, this much information I can give. Otherwise, go through my channel and study the chapter SFD BMD. 120 classes are uploaded there. Study it. Clear. Okay. Now, go for bending moment diagram. See, first of all, remember, this class I am taking for the group. But some classes I make public so that let the people use it. Okay, now, all calculation you should write. I will dictate here because I calculated everything before the class to save the time. Start. Bending moment diagram. I told thousands of times in the classes, from past 40 years I am telling. Do not use clockwise positive, anti-clockwise positive, nonsense it is. The very name of direction, the very word direction used for bending moment is utter nonsense. Bending moment diagram, you will tell all in kilonewton meter. Now remember, on tension side, that is your BMD will be opposite. Tension side means if you get positive sagging BM, tension comes below. So plot below the line. If you get bending moment negative, hogging BM, tension upper side. But remember, traditionally what people do is they put positive upper side, negative below. But when you draw BMD on tension side, it is what? It is positive means below, negative means above. If anybody does not want tension side, then what I draw, reverse it. You get the BMD. If I plot below, you plot above. That way do it. Start. BM at A minus 186.07. No minus now. Why? 186.07 means hogging tension outside plotted. BM here minus 3.45. Very small value. 3.45. Also bending moment here E minus 186.07 plus 120.44, correct, 120.44 into 4.015 minus 30 into 4.015 by 2, you will get, answer I know, plus 55.69. Plus means sagging. 55.69 here plus. Okay, that's all. 55.69. So joined by a parabola this way. See, this is the maximum sag, little out of scale. Okay, maximum sagging and hogging. Okay, don't write plus minus now. Next, this member BM minus 3.45 already over. That side minus 70.19 minus 70.19. BM here minus 3.45 plus 46.65 into 2, that will come plus 89.85 plus 89.85 here. Since there is no load, straight line and straight line. Okay. Next, here BM here minus 70.19 already over. There minus 54.72. And here bending moment minus 70.19 plus 21.87 into 2.43 minus 9 into 2.43 into 2.43 by 2, that will give you plus 43.62. 62 or 67? 62 plus 43.62 here. 43.62. Parabola over. Lastly, here BM minus 54.72. BM is 0 here, joined by a parabola. Slope is there here. Right. This is a BMD on tension side. Completely clear? Tell me. Completely clear? Completely clear. BMD. Those who are regular, if completely clear, those who are public, I will tell you what they are doing now. If you tell completely clear, okay, now, so many people, they don't do this way. They go for superimposing principle. I will draw that also for you. Okay. I will draw that also. Then you have tried BMD on tension, not tension side. BMD sagging positive. I will just write for their benefit. Someone will tell, sir, this way we are not doing, sir, we superimpose. Okay, superimpose. Remember, if you are doing that way, shearing post diagram is not required. These reactions are not required. Directly you can draw. No, just to understand. BMD, direct clear. BMD sagging positive. All values are Kn meter. See, here BM minus 186.07. Minus for end moment, draw upper side. Here minus 3.45. Small value. 3.45. Here minus 70.19. Just for information I am drawing. Here minus 54.72. Okay. Now, whatever is the loading, you should join by straight line. Here loading is not considered. joined by straight line only. Okay, now overhang, don't do it, leave the overhang. Superimpose bending moment diagram for simply supported beam, it will be WL square by 8. 30 into 6 square by 8. 135 will come somewhere here. 135. Remember, you make a note, WL square by 8. Then this is negative, this is full 135, positive, negative, this will get cancelled. Here, superimpose central eccentric load WAB by L, 100 into 2 into 3 by 5. Track proportionally, should not do it. 120 here. 120. Remember how you got WAB by L, negative, positive, negative. Here, once again, WL square by 8. 9 into 4 square divided by 8 will come, how much? 18. 70.19. Oh, there is a mistake last time. See, there is a mistake last time. Oh, now I realized that bending moment is not coming. Oh, so see, now I can make out. 1 minute. I did not see a sign now. I will tell you. 9 into 4 square divided by 8 is 18. 18 comes here. So it will come this way, full negative. And then here, just join by parabola. Oh, now I realized. Sorry, okay. See, go back. You are none of you told. See, last, now I will do one thing now. Apply the correction. No one should tell wrong. Last time when I draw BMD, because calculator, the color was not visible. See, for this span, correction, here minus 70.19, hogging, here 54.72, and here bending moment at F, I told it will come, how much? 43.62, correct? Yes or no? I told 43.62, yes or no? I did not see the color in the light, that minus sign was not visible. See, I will tell you once again, it is, otherwise there are people who will find mistake. I will tell them, wow, don't talk that way. Do you think I am not knowing? Minus 70.19 plus 21.87 into 2.43 minus 9 into 2.43 square divided by 2 comes to minus 43.62. Tell yes or no? It comes minus 43.62. In the light, minus sign not visible. I thought it is positive, so I plotted positive means sagging. I had drawn like this. Yes or no? I did this way last time. Tell yes or no? Because I did not see the minus sign because of light problem. And I did not look at the values. If I look at the values, I can make out. Tell me yes or no? I have drawn that way. Tell me yes or no? Fast. Yes. No. It is minus. Minus means what? Minus means what? Sagging or hogging? But it came minus. In the light, that minus sign was not visible. Minus means what? Tell me. If you get negative means what it is? What is the, otherwise there are people who will find the mistake. They cannot find mistake in my class like that. Minus means what? That minus sign will tell you what? Sagging or hogging? That minus will tell you sagging or hogging. Fast. See, that you are not answering question. Okay, if you are not commenting, what I can do? That negative means it is hogging of 43.62, tension upper side. So that was wrong. It is here only. 43.62, BMD will come this way. So this beam will completely what? Tell me. That beam will actually, as per my earlier diagram, it was hogging, sagging, hogging. No. This portion will completely what? Completely hog. See, that is all because of See, negative sign in the light, I could not see it. That's the problem. Actually, how I came to know? Now when I looked at the problem, when I got 9 into 4 square by 8, how much? Very small value. Suddenly I realized, oh, full beam hogging, that light, see, answer is still coming 43.62 only. But negative sign, I did not see. Therefore, last time, what I had drawn, can you, instead of drawing this way, see, in the class, I have first drawn this way. Can you correct it like this? Tell me. Can you correct it like this now? Can you correct it like this? It is only print mistake. Okay, correct it. See, if I am not observed, tomorrow somebody will tell, sir has made a mistake. I will tell them, what mistake? Sir, it is hogging. Yes. How much answer? 43.62. Then I will tell, see there, I got 43.62 answer. Then it has to come minus. Means my calculation is correct. I did not observe the sign. And it is approaching 9. So getting late. Otherwise, by looking at the end moment only, I can make out that there is no sagging. I never thought of those things. So because of the lapse or not observing correctly sign, that mistake happened. Luckily, because I went for the overlapping principle, I came to know, correct it. See, mistake is, anybody can make the mistake, I told you. But technical mistake, I will not make. Calculation mistake, observation mistake, while writing mistake, it is human nature. But technical mistake, then it is wrong. Okay. And because of the sign, it was wrong, I corrected it now. Okay. Now, 1 minute. This will close this one now. See, tomorrow I have to go little earlier. So there will be class tomorrow. What I will do is, instead of 4 span, instead of 3 span, I will take up a 2 span problem. And I will give a settlement of support in terms of EI. So that for 3 span means, see, MD method, you have to do chain reaction. In 2 span, 1 step you get the answer for MD and Kani. Most probably, when I am free morning, I will record and upload it. Agreed? Most probably, I will record in the daytime and upload it. Clear? Because tomorrow especially, I have to go a little earlier. Around 8 o'clock, I have to leave here. I will most probably record and upload. Suppose I cannot record upload tomorrow, before next Tuesday, I will upload. Agreed? So coming Tuesday, we are starting frames. Coming Tuesday, we are going for frames. Remember, once again, in Zoom only, not YouTube. It will be Zoom. Only one sway problem I will do in YouTube. Otherwise, all principles, etc., we will do in the Zoom only, our usual batch, not public class. Okay. Getting late now. Thank you. Solve the question.